an occasion of an oath taking is a solemn occasion. It is an occasion of call to duty. It is an occasion that the nation and the Nigerian people, they are putting so much responsibility, constitutional responsibility on us, and most especially on the new Resident Electoral Commission that has been reappointed by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to continue as a Resident Electoral Commissioner. It is therefore with a great pleasure that I administer these oaths of office on you today, Professor Ramon Teller. This is a profound responsibility, placing you at the forefront of Nigerian democratic journey in one of our states. My tenure as the chair of Independent National Electoral Commission began with a clear and unwavering mandate to deliver free, credible, transparent, and inclusive elections to the good people of Nigeria. And I dare say that this mission is not merely a regulatory obligation, it is not just a constitutional obligation, but it is a moral and legal duty that we owe to our people, the citizens of Nigeria. The credibility of our electoral system is the very foundation upon which our democracy stands. Your role as a REC is absolutely critical to the success of this democratic project. I must unequivocally, and I admonish you, that the integrity of our election is non-negotiable. I charge you to uphold the highest standard of professionalism and integrity in every action you take. As I have emphasized to my colleagues, and I now emphasize to you, any compromise on our values or our procedures shall not be tolerated. You must focus on transparency, strictly adhering to every guideline and every procedure laid out in the Commission, by the Commission, and the Electoral Act. We also have a moral and a legal obligation to ensure the electoral system is above reproach. Any misconduct, whether by omission or commission, shall not be accepted. Your primary goal must be to instill in the voters of your state the confidence that their choice truly counts. We are resolved to combat all forms of elections rigging, including the menaces of vote buying. The eyes of the nation are upon us. The public trust in INEC is sacred. Go forth, Professor Teller, and work collaboratively with our staff to ensure that your state is a beacon of hope and democratic values. Let us stand united to restore and uphold the integrity and the credibility of our elections. It is how we go about this that will help us to address the issue of voters' apathy that we have witnessed over the years. Congratulations, and God bless you, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to appreciate the proper conduct of my honorable chairman for swifted on time for the swearing in. I never believed this could happen today. I got information so lately that the SGF has sent a letter to him on Friday and eventually sent a message to me that same day. We are beginning to witness, which of course we have been doing this and seen before, a total transformation in the commission lead. And this, and I think, will be taking us to meet up with the global standard on how election is being conducted. My year of experience in public administration and electoral process have really equipped me with strong organizational planning and problem-solving skills. And I've succeeded in managing a large team, coordinated logistics, under tight timelines, ensuring transparency, fairness, even in the sensitive operations. And I consider this equally as significant experiences that will definitely prepare me to effectively facing the work I've been assigned to, ensuring that the security coordination is in place, then the stakeholder management, which are being required by the electoral administration. I want to use this opportunity to I'll continue like I've been doing and I've been opportunity to do, to guarantee a very fair, credible election in the future by strictly adherence to electoral laws, guidelines, in a bid to maintain integrity at every stage of the process. I will have an open-door policy by promoting and engaging the relevant stakeholders, including the political parties, observers, the media, in all the critical stages that will be involving. Then the most important aspect that will always being observed, which happens to be a gray area whenever election is being conducted, is about the results. I will ensure that the implementation of result management system is going to be a top notch in any state I've been assigned to, which is in two folds. The first one is the real-time transmission and onward public display of results from the poll. Then another aspect that I've deducted in scene is training, retraining, and monitoring of the election officials so that they continue to uphold neutrality and professionalism. The voter education, which has to do with the continuous voter registration that is ongoing, and I think a bold step must further be taken so that our people will be highly sensitized, especially those who are coming from the remotest part of the country and the downtrodden people in our society. The aspect of the beavers that we normally encounter some certain difficulties in the field, I want to suggest and bring to the notice that we really need to have this kind of pre-election test management, then strengthen the backup, and also engaging cybersecurity expertise in a bid to go against the threat of cyber. On this note, I want to thank everyone here, and I want to appreciate the chairman and my national commissioners, the secretary, and I want to tell you that I will uphold the professionalism in conducting the election, which is going to be guided by the Electoral Act, the Constitution of Nigeria, and the will of the citizen will be virtually being preserved and protected. Thank you once again.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you very much, sir.